Jesse, let's cook! I've been thinking about this Iceman guy, the mutant who freezes the air and turns parts of himself into ice. From a chemist's perspective, it's absolute nonsense.
Yeah, Mr. White, I always thought that stuff was kind of cool, but when you break it down, it doesn't really add up. Freezing huge chunks of ice out of thin air? How does he get that much water vapor so fast?
Exactly, Jesse. High humidity air only has about 0.01 kilograms of water vapor per cubic meter at best. To form a 7.5 cubic meter ice bridge like he does, you'd need roughly 6,800 kilograms of ice. That means extracting and cooling that water vapor instantly, requiring over 19 million kilojoules of energy. Do you realize what that means?
No way. How much energy is that?
Roughly 5.4 megawatt hours. That's like what an average American household would consume in half a year. And guess what? He does it without any heat getting released into the environment. Where does that energy go, Jesse? It simply vanishes, violating the first law of thermodynamics. Energy can't just disappear.
So you're saying he's breaking the laws of physics?
More than just breaking, he's committing thermodynamic heresy. And it gets worse. If he really froze that much moisture out of the air instantly, the pressure drop around him would be catastrophic. Hurricanes level, maybe. Yet people nearby don't get sucked into an ice vortex. Something's off.
Maybe he's got some secret pocket dimension or something?
That's just speculation, no evidence. Also, the kind of ice he forms is crystalline, which requires molecules to arrange themselves in a particular structure. Do you think that happens instantly, spontaneously?
Not really. Sounds like he's controlling molecules like a quantum wizard, right?
Indeed. Controlling billions of molecules to form perfect hexagonal ice instantly would require quantum coherence on a scale we've never seen outside a lab, and not in chaotic conditions.
And what about his own body? Turning himself into ice? Isn't that like killing himself?
Absolutely. Ice expands when it forms, rupturing cells, denaturing proteins, and destroying neural pathways. Yet Iceman remains conscious, mobile. Medical science calls that impossible. The nerve signals would cease with frozen ion channels.
So his whole deal is a physics and biology impossibility wrapped in a mutant's fantasy?
Precisely. And I find it fascinating and frustrating how such blatant scientific impossibilities get glossed over in pop culture. You want to see real chemistry?
Yeah, Mr. White. Show me how to break bad for real.
That's the spirit, Jesse. Unlike Iceman's magic, we master the rules of chemistry. No shortcuts, no miracles. Just cold, hard science.
I hear you. But sometimes, man, I wish we had superpowers, even if they're impossible.
Powers. We have knowledge and willpower. That's enough to rule our empire.
Empire, huh? I'm ready if you are. Let's cook.